Traveling abroad demands luggage that's durable, secure, and easy to handle through busy airports. Best luggage for international travel should combine smooth mobility, strong materials, and smart organization. Choose wisely to enjoy stress-free journeys, better packing efficiency, and long-lasting performance wherever you go. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. LOVEVOOK Spinner Wheels Luggage. The LOVEVOOK Spinner Wheels luggage is a practical choice for travelers who want convenience without sacrificing organization. Designed with airline-approved dimensions, it fits easily into overhead compartments, making it ideal for short business trips or weekend getaways. The lightweight yet durable polyester exterior resists scratches and water, helping it maintain a clean appearance even after repeated use. One of its standout features is the smooth 360-degree spinner wheels, which glide quietly across airport floors and crowded streets, reducing travel fatigue. The adjustable handle feels stable in hand and minimizes wobbling, which is often an issue in budget luggage. A front laptop compartment adds real value, allowing quick access to devices without opening the main compartment, perfect for security checks or working on the go. Inside, the luggage is thoughtfully designed with a wet pocket and bonus storage bags for shoes and clothing, helping keep everything organized. While it may not have the rigid protection of hardshell suitcases, its flexibility and lightweight build make it a reliable companion for frequent flyers who prioritize ease of use and smart packing solutions. Number 2. Samsonite Freeform Luggage. The Samsonite Freeform luggage stands out for its combination of durability and modern travel-friendly design. Built with a polypropylene hardshell, it offers strong resistance against impact and scratches, making it suitable for both carry-on and checked use. The set includes 2 sizes, giving flexibility depending on trip length, which is a major advantage for travelers who prefer a matching luggage system. Maneuverability is excellent thanks to its double spinner wheels that roll smoothly in all directions without putting strain on your arms. Inside, the suitcase offers generous space with practical features like elastic straps, a divider, and a pouch to keep items secure and neatly arranged. The built-in TSA-approved lock adds an extra layer of security, which is especially useful during international travel. Despite its sturdy build, the luggage remains relatively lightweight, helping you stay within airline limits. Overall, this model is well suited for travelers who value long-term durability and a structured packing system, making it a dependable investment for frequent trips. Number 3. LUGGEX 8010S Luggage. The LUGGEX 8010S luggage is designed for travelers who prioritize strength and security above all else. Featuring a combination of a 100% polycarbonate shell and a reinforced aluminum frame, it delivers exceptional durability that can withstand rough handling during transit. The added aluminum corner protectors provide extra defense against impacts, ensuring your belongings remain safe even in demanding conditions. Its smooth rolling wheels include a built-in spring system that reduces vibration, making movement more stable and comfortable across different surfaces. Another highlight is the upgraded TSA lock system, which eliminates the need for zippers and reduces the risk of breakage or tampering. The quick one-button opening mechanism is both secure and convenient. Although slightly heavier than soft luggage options, the added weight reflects its robust construction. Inside, the suitcase offers a compact yet efficient layout, making it suitable for short trips or minimalist packing. Overall, it's a strong contender for travelers who need a rugged, secure carry-on that can handle frequent use without compromising protection. Number 4. SHOWKOO Hardshell Luggage. The SHOWKOO Hardshell luggage delivers a balanced mix of durability, flexibility, and value, making it a popular choice among frequent travelers. Its 100% polycarbonate shell is designed to absorb impact without cracking, which gives it a clear advantage over traditional ABS luggage. The textured finish helps prevent visible scratches, keeping the suitcase looking newer for longer. Mobility is another strong point, with multi-directional spinner wheels that roll smoothly and quietly even when the suitcase is fully packed. The ergonomic telescoping handle adjusts easily and feels sturdy during use, improving overall handling in tight spaces.
Security is well addressed with a TSA-approved lock and high-quality YTK zippers, which are known for their resistance to punctures and wear. Inside, the luggage offers a well-organized layout with dividers and straps that keep items in place during transit. The set option also provides excellent versatility for different travel needs. Overall, it's a reliable choice for travelers seeking a durable, stylish suitcase that performs consistently across various travel conditions.
Number 5. American Tourister Luggage. The American Tourister Luggage is built for travelers who want simplicity, capacity, and smooth handling in one package. With its spacious interior and expandable design, it allows you to pack extra items without feeling restricted, making it ideal for longer trips. The dual spinner wheels provide effortless mobility, helping the suitcase glide across airport terminals and sidewalks. A standout feature is the Easy Hook system, which lets you carry additional bags hands-free, particularly useful during busy travel moments. The adjustable handle system adds comfort by allowing users to customize the height for better control. While it is slightly heavier than some competitors, the added weight contributes to its sturdy construction and durability. The interior is designed for efficient organization, helping keep belongings secure and easy to access. Overall, this luggage offers a dependable travel experience with practical features that make journeys more convenient, especially for those who tend to pack more or need extra flexibility. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.